wakuwa mabawe nime Bejimie na mi bro awe urade wakuwa mabawe nime Bejimie na mi bro.
Grandpa, I'm ready to go to school.
Yes, go.
I have not eaten this morning.
So what?
Grandpa, are you not giving me any money?
You need money for school for what? For what?
Grandpa, you know I have to buy something.
I don't have anything to give you. Go to you say no, the school you are going, what is the but when I sit down, let me have something to discuss. Sit down. Akoshi,
Grandpa,
you are my grandson. I mean well for you and I wish you well too. But there is something you are forgetting about yourself, which I want you to have a particular look at it and move towards it. I know you are very intelligent, smart, yes, I like it. But check yourself. Check from the top presidents across the global world, prime ministers, MPs, chiefs, assemblymen, common assemblymen in our neighborhood, footballers, farmers, and down to the low place. Check yourself and see how many of them have your height. How many of them have your height? You see a policeman in a uniform like your height before? No. Do you see a soldier man in a uniform like your height? No. Do you see any president in the world with your height before? Let's go to musicians, don't matter a lot, but check musicians too as well. No. When you come to common assemblymen, no. Poultry farmers, no. Common farmers, not agricultural farmers, no. So yourself, within your heart, your soul, check and see where do you personalize yourself. It's waste of time when you are going to school. It's waste of time. You will finish, you can't be doctor, you can't be nurse. Which of them you can't do? Brilliant you are, yes. I've already seen your future. The only thing I want you to do now is don't ask me money for school again. I'm sick and tired. I'm feeding you close. Next year, you will enter into your 20 years. Okay, Joe. The way you are, that is the same way. I don't know whether as your dad is dying, it go with your height. Because ever since your dad fall down, bang, the height, there is nothing adding to it again. So forget about it. You better ask me, oh grandpa, I want to go and beg for then I give you money. When you go the way you are, and if you have you intentionally adjust the deformity small to your body, you can even harvest and click more, which can be very nice business. Do you get what I'm saying? So let's you forget about it.
But you know you are wrong.
What?
It's only in those days that when you are short, you'll be useless and have nothing to do. We are now in the modern world, Grandpa, you know. You know if you sponsor me, I can become a doctor.
Shut up.
I can become a lawyer, even a president.
Don't provoke me. I'm telling you something that I'm seeing in the future. I'm seeing straightly.
You don't need height.
Who?
You don't need big body to be able to become a doctor or a lawyer.
I asked you first, the height you've been seeing among the doctors, did you see any height like your height?
Grandpa, we are in the modern world. This is the IT world. All you need is your brain.
Shut up! Shut up! Who born dog? Look at what you are doing. At those days, how old are you? Who born your mother before he born you, before your father can born you?
Grandpa, why are you treating me this way?
Mm.
Grandpa, it's me. Because it's me.
Did I hold knife to slaughter you? Shut up! Get out and leave my side. I'm telling you what I'm seeing directly. You are here lamenting on necessary things.
Grandpa, please. Can you give me a small slice of your bread?
Don't provoke me. Don't touch the tissue. I'm telling you what I'm telling you. You are here lamenting. Go! What will I gain? You will finish, you will have all your A's. Those who even have height more than you, they have their degrees A's, but they don't have work to do. And you are short like this. You are fighting for A level. And I came up running around. You think I'm dumb? Hey, stop there. Look, now to walk out from this compound with that tears in your eyes, that people will say I'm maltreating you. Clean your face when you are getting to your class. Be smiling like this.
Me akwada mini holding beer. My dreams are min judging bony beer. I fay mini ubia. Nyame waya menana grandpa. Nyame nim say ono no share me. Netete me. Nekuma me. Onuni matunyina. Onuni me mami ne me papa. Ono na share me. Netete me. Nekuma me. Nenso a chance me akwa. Minsa shukra.
I'll give you so me, I don't want you to be moving around without you dressing yourself. I want you to look good. I want you to look good. So take this one. Manage this one so that no, this one I want to use it to check something, so maybe by the close of the day or evening time. Apostle, what is it?
Grandpa, I'm done fetching the water.
You are done fetching the water. So,
Grandpa, I'm very hungry.
you are hungry because you see me giving a woman money, so you are here to just form. Then what is the meaning of this? You want to disgrace me so that the stranger visitor will say I'm not taking good care of you.
Grandpa, please.
What is it? I'm careful, don't you see that I have somebody here? You are behaving like this in front of me here.
Grandpa, I'm very
You want a stranger to tell me that I don't know how to take care of you or what? Leave this side.
Grandpa.
Leave here, are you not hearing what I'm telling you? Look at this. At least you have to reason that, oh, I have a visitor. You are behaving as if I've been starving you in this house. But this boy, I give you a day, one single day like this. I give you 100 Ghana. A day, every day, I'm giving you 100 Ghana. Oh, how? Why?
100 Ghana.
A day.
Don't mind him. I know you are a good man.
So it's just disgracing me.
Yes.
Oh, come on. Let's go to the top here and find some drink and kebab and then let's enjoy some.
Catch them, what? How we are. Catch them. Oh, Cassa, Ade. Opposite can't you how watching me? Me, I don't know. I didn't know how. Casa, Casa. Was it Yasuna Casa? Ade.
But tell us if it's our family.
Wouldn't it be? If it's your papa, wouldn't it be? Me grandpa, you may dear, where charming, Papa. A phone show. Hey! A four. You papa is 70. One two would your paddy in our one show. Hey,
Jesus
Christ. Any one and three more days, son.
Grandma. What's the moment go school be?
Now, I won't go school, so you are away.
What's the moment go from the go sister?
Huh? And I won't go school, was it your school? Then fast one is me. No go say scared and fast also. If you are maybe to share the car. One no market, you didn't immunity.
Grandma, sit fast for me and you.
Hey, good dear. You can tell me as yes, sir. I want to go to you. Who will be saying 5 cents?
That's not the best.
Oh! I must see. I'm going to get to our comedy. This is near my man. And every never trauma. So did he at it? The farmer. Mamma. Oh, first, the kind of second power to man. People know what is the other. What did you do? I have it.
Grandma, I didn't see my mommy met.
I could see. Who said, commit me and what's in her, make me a show. Then she should go on member of Japadina, and one and not for her. It is a man yet Japadina, meet me, mamma better. It is a more better idea. No, I was some dear Japadina, no more better. What it? It is forgetting nobody know. And what did you have to say more? What did you master? Or whom I told you what it? Put your mechanics aside the bay, I don't want to know what it. But you want to maintain, and you are going to be a we are here in America. It's been ready any person.
Oh, mini obia. Do it for me. Oh, yummy. Do it for me. Oh, yummy. Change my life. Change my life. Change my life. Change my life. Do it for me. Oh, yummy. Do it for me. Oh, yummy. Change my life. Change my life. Change my life. Change my life. Oh, my breath. Small boy for me. And I yet century. Frisa mini obia. Nyamiri family, mi shebrana min crabia. Deliver me, oh I wanna feel special. Nyamiri family, mi shebrana min crabia. Deliver me.
Oh no, take it. Take it. Have it. Okay? It's for you. Okay? Oh no, better. Don't do that. Get some food for yourself. Okay? I'll find time to come and see you. And I'll talk to you, okay? You are most welcome. Don't worry. You are a very brilliant student. And this shouldn't happen to you. Don't worry, okay? Let's go. Okay? Let's keep on staying, okay?
My close friend, the one I told you about.
Oh, okay.
Her name is Ella.
Oh, your name is Ella. Oh, wow, Ella baby. Yes, that is nice. I mean, people have name, my real name. That people know why they don't use it, but the name the young boys around they call me is alias Base Crapito. Who don't know. Yes.
Nice name. Nicey. Tell your phone to give me one like music.
Oh, you don't have to.
No, we talk about that.
Oh, look at you.
My friend is scared.
You want to see her off?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I can go far with people. To see her off. Okay, I can.
Alright.
So anywhere you see me, the name is alias Grace Clapito.
Okay.
Yeah, no. Wow. Oh, come on, Tamo.
Okay.
Alright. Wow.
Show me you love me, and
Good morning.
let your
You're welcome.
I came to see you, one, as a teacher of your grandson, Owusu,
Akwashi.
Yes.
Akwashi, oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
and also a concerned citizen. As you know, Owusu is in my class. And in fact, let me say, well done. Congratulations for raising up such a brilliant child.
Thank you. Thank you.
Owusu is one of the most disciplined students in the school,
That's right.
and we are all proud of him.
Very good.
This proves that indeed you are taking good care of him.
Yes.
Yes. Aside that, there's something I also want to draw attention to. For some time now, whenever he's in class, he looks moody and sad. You know, during what do you call it, break time, when all his peers are gone buying food, he will be sitting down. When you ask him, he will say he doesn't have money to go and buy food. He's hungry. Sometimes you see him shivering. I mean, kind of looks so tired and worn out. So I confronted him, and he told me sometimes it's difficult for him to get money to come to school, or even to find food to eat at home. I said, no. I know a fool to be a very disciplined elderly man, and the way he has raised you, how come he will not give you money for food and all that? So I said, oh, no, for kids sometimes you cannot trust them.
Oh, yes.
Yes. So I said, let me come and see you to draw your attention. Maybe there's something going wrong somewhere that you have not taken notice of. So that's why I came, sir.
Thank you very much. Oh, small boys are young. Oh, Akwashi. I don't know. This what you are saying is very surprising, you know. Yes. Because Akwashi, if I don't have money at all on me, I give you 80 Ghana cedis a day. And I will make sure you eat, you prepare something for yourself. You eat before I give you 80 Ghana. If I have money on me, I give you 100 Ghana a day.
Please, so, I don't mean to cut you short. You mean every day when Owusu is coming to school, you give him 80 Ghana?
80 Ghana, that is if I don't have money at all, 80 Ghana. If I have money on me, I give Akwashi, I give you 100 Ghana. But yes, still, I don't know what Akwashi has been using them. What you are saying, it's very surprising. Oh, how?
Okay, sir. Then how about his school uniform? Because you can see the uniform is worn out.
Good. You see the uniform matter?
Yes.
You see the uniform as you are saying? I realized the uniform that he is wearing is not good. So I made it the seamstress. I said, the tailor, sew new uniform top and down for Akwashi. Akwashi went to school. When he came, I asked Akwashi that, where is the new uniform? Akwashi told me that he went to school and realized that one of his mates don't have a good uniform. It's torn, so he uses his own to dash the new uniform that you sew for yourself. You use it to dash your mate. How could you be good Samaritan for someone? You love your someone and a different person more than yourself. How? And I say, okay, it's one of those things. I say, yeah, I don't get it. I don't get it. So the one he's wearing now, I told him that, okay, for some days now, I'm preparing to send him to the tailor so that we work on it. Thank you very much.
Well, Efo, I'm most grateful for your reception.
Okay.
But then I will plead with you that please do check on 2 things. Maybe if possible, then give him food. If he's using the money you give him on daily basis to do something else, then please give him food to come to school. Maybe that will help.
He has been eating at home. Before I give you the money, I make sure you eat at home. If I go to my kitchen with you now, you will see his leftover all over. Thank you.
Please, I will take my.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Akwashi. Oh. They are very good teachers. Fufu batuma. Ava le fia doa o pimpi kaba de na dowam le radio station aro TV station na ba dogo le fia ba Akwashi is sitting moody. E moody a anye woma. No matter what, come and send him to your place and take good care of him. If you were to be you feeding a child from that tender age to this age, the child is not growing fat, it's not growing slim, it's not growing tall the way he is. Will you still be feeding the child like that?
If I wanna shakura, imbukura, probably so we janka. If I wanna shakura, imbukura.
Akwasi. See this thing here. See this thing here. Instead of you to be picking these things in the house, you are sitting here reading unnecessary book. You are reading where at all are you reading this thing to? I told you several times. This thing will not help you. I am telling you it won't help you.
Grandpa, I'm learning.
I'm talking you are. Come on. Give her sit down. You say you want to wash down, eh? Go and clean the washroom for her. She want to bath.
Grandpa, the place is already clean.
Since when?
After I took my bath.
After you took your bath. So you won't go and clean the place. Because you are fair more than my woman. You are fair more than my woman. So when you took your bath, I said go and clean the place for my woman to come and bath. You are here telling me the place is clean.
But Grandpa, you know the place is always clean.
Hey.
Oh, really? I see you want to fight. You are now a man.
Wait.
Oh, don't worry. He's still standing there. You are seeing it now.
Leave him. Hey.
Oh, it's okay.
Are you still standing there? Didn't you hear he said go and wash the washroom for me?
Oh, leave him. He's a man now.
Hey.
Auntie, the place is clean.
If you don't leave, I will sound you.
Wow. Now, Akosi, you are standing in front of me, exchanging words that the place is clean. Because you are also a man, you should stand here. You should stand here. And you see just a single blow coming from me, you see where you'll be. Very good. I don't see this one.
Let me wait small so that I finish wrapping.
Oh, no. Oh, sit down.
Why cry? Why never
once I'm going to teach me and Paladisia, and then my common city. Pepper so be the school Palam would have a woman, a shirt on my brother. And no may be a uncle after on studies number 200. The year while one I could see a Mamma, when you are Palabia, see my dear papa. The additional what kind of school need now, we didn't call on that so discipline. Hey, na same way no oba school they did you a problem or to one man no I am bombo me aho oh ukobisa na o say problem dey oba school class school scale months of me to the pan the money bi
me na be man
efo on man is can take or titi mu fi mo share the baba di kata no ato atwe sade no usu no afaso no akora so ni ma enti ba ni samso no me mbisa no Nimu the power of some Yaman, as only 20 years, but some no better. Naga no call unions or no as I said, yeah. Much me am Sakadia back. A babuma, for say, and Kay Mamma. And don't see that the Babins, wow, we had
Sir, what do you mean, Charles? Me there was the many other Monday when you so not really then show. And what up I have been in the daily team. Now, school soon need fast one, I will call you. I couldn't even my many papa Japan showing that. So if I are correct, and I can't have a myself.
It's my birthday. Mesro, say, what we will need, or what the two animal, no one in Bocassa. He said, do your yap and up on your dishes in your pond kind. And one, was it upon any year, a one addition.
Let us say, Passa, I do know the best you again, and I feel.
No one nears you, yeah, the bed a yearly dressing in the gym school, and can be.
Or say, but I like to go down the never hope money about Casa. Minute about Casa and Nick, they are never playing thousand per hour. I've been born in Belgrano.
Mr. One in Casana, yeah, she's a good young man, Sacravia back, one of our woman.
Oh, I'll go back, pass the boko.
And once you get your bocos out. A pass on your bocos out. Pass one year. I get I think if I didn't know what you.
I want my home.
Me wo ho na wo na na akwasi e be ka kire me say o sere me no won kasa asetina wo ni netie na enye okọ school a wo man scan go school wo man na diane Sir David akwasi teacher na be ka kire me say me no won kasa ne school mo nyina akwasi ni obi o woniwa de pa na nse wo be school a na o mu na o sugu ni yam obusa na da wo man scan to abiane
Wono Sir David no Sir David no what the other na ni wo blemisa Adena wo hu se mi nya oba permit no wo hu mi penan mi no wo pe bi di oba yesai mi di akosi we wo kotuku woni ma di fine mo ka se woni wo ka sa ojo akosi na wo boka wo akosi hu ajuma be na oba ya akosi wo betumi ye lawyer
wonu asema wo ka
akosi wo betumi ye doctor
wonu asema wo ka
wo betumi bobolu
se wo boka wo akwasi hu a asema wo ka no wo de wonu se wo ka sa why mistake pa wo ka sa why mistake pa en kan ni adwen boni na de wo muti wo tete no tete be na nye ni o en kan na tietiafo ntimi nye hwe na de modern Ghana na de tietiafo ntimi ye bibi wate akwasi wo betimi ya minister
one president bi no wa ye tietiase
na president o mo de to bo nya na ya tente
na one police
ni tietiase na teso wo betimi ya doctor wate ade be no ntimi ya adwene ni na hia adwene kuta akwara no wo wadwen fu we kura da wuti ma ode anyina bedu sei no wo kura so nya papa ade be ye
wo na akwasi makata se mo
ja brother food things no awo ye wate ade be no ah wonya de papa kura ki cho we say wo di ni musika esa na wonya ade na we ni papa ni sa
o ade na wo ka sa tre mi ba ha
ja o te ja wo ye ni nge akura sika nya ade fama na me ka tira wo wo ge bi na wo wura no ho kire ne ba no wo di aba ye no ene wo dem
wono no open na ba di ni tumi
yo na de wo ye akura no mo ni mo right o akura no mo ni mo right so wo yes na edura ba ani ma me so be de ma ma wi ase bi wo nkwa na aka nyina wo de bedem da
wo apu na
wonnim me apo neke wo de ma me kan kire wo na hwia se echiwa emo mi di se wo ni aba na me wate emo mi di se wo ni aba bi a wo ho wate e de be suba no ha
woni makosi fita kola ble wo didi sa onu wo yen kesi onu so wo yen titi ati mi ko so boka wo ne ho
ni sika na wo de boka na wo dia sika na wo de sha akora na wo dia wo kura sa wo ti ya si di wo kura wo ti ya si
ni ma di dem
o da sa o chelo ni papa na de ko ni papa na de ko
In fact, there's something I want to ask you. We all know in this community that you are Efo's girlfriend, and I'm the teacher for Owusu, the young boy living with him. The way the boy is going through problems, troubles, hunger, and all those things. Nancy, I want to know, why is it that when you go to the house, you see what the boy goes through? Why are you not able to talk to Efo to take care of the boy? I mean, to give him food and to buy dresses for him, pay his fees and buy him books. I want to know why, Nancy.
Sir David.
Yes.
What kind of question is this?
Nancy, this is what I mean. You are the man's girlfriend, okay? You go to the house. You see what the boy goes through. So I want to know, why is it that when you see the man treating the boy, when he's angry, why can't you at least talk to the man to take care of the boy? That's what I want to know.
So, right now, what has my happiness with Efo got to do with the maltreatment that Owusu is going through? See, that small boy is just a stubborn boy. That is why his grandfather is treating him like that.
Nancy, if I hear you right, It means you are in support of what the man is doing. Is that not it? Oh no, this is not fair, Nancy. This is not fair. I mean, how can you see such a small boy? This boy, this very young boy, very respectful, humble boy like that, and intelligent. How can you say he's stubborn? It's not fair. Let me tell you something. When you come to the school, Akosi is the most brilliant among all the children, from the basic to the upper level. You don't do that. You're a woman, you don't do that. You can't see to a small boy go through this regime and you support it. It's not fair. No, stop it. Stop it.
So you think you are a teacher in this community, so you can talk to me anyhow? Is Akwesi my family member? And if you give Akwesi money to buy food, what is wrong in that? Are you not his teacher? Please, let this be the last time you stop me to talk about this issue. If you have something to say, go and see a friend and talk to me, not me. Chef, let me pass.
Holy family, you will replace them wherever you go.
Enti say akwara bi o class na ne mbone bo wo so na ne fie ene na setremu ha adwen a wo sem di tumpunfu ni eni say eye wadanfu efu ni yogu efu ne nana nya otin nchen akwasi akwara yi ni suku bemri na setremu ara ho eja obaba de nsuya de bo za kwara tifa no osu da no osu ni pesa na wasana na maniska na mane aduane nti say no mabasa o se o mane aduane ni nti akwara na setremu fi nye onimade akwara nimade de wo osu akwara na ti so aw eja na wo se me di tumpinfu metu ko baba ko hu afu akwa ko hu ni sister ti say afu ado de yam ni na nka se wa kono me ko wo ko ni sister ho no fu ni mi am ni se eja be hu am de to ni se we wadam fu de eja woni ni nkasa na fisa kwa no mode mo wo soro pa onimade a te say ye push na bo yi bebe gina nimade pa onimade ejo ni amen amen why amen se wo hunu bibi sa wa koda na wo wan kanhye na wo pesa koda ndi kamisha amen na de wo se ifo no kuroma de wo bie nim se yonko pa nyenche no kure tani bi ko wo ya kore bata ngo ko se akoda tete wo de na wo ya na butumi se basa na ye wrong no
Oh, akoba.
yes no evo
Boko die.
afua
Boko.
se kasa de o chire me ni de mi ara no
O kasa na upesa ubeti. O ma hu ache o. Adei.
se dan na nu ho se me ka chire o se ko me kura se na ma ko he mafu fi mi ko pa fo no nye kuku na bia sukura
Oh.
bedanya denya ibenya kakra e be ye
Akati wasimu wa hu.
mwana se mwana we
Oh, kafla. Obani dei.
na mi bedru ni la
Eh.
anabio no asi ku madam fo no na dia chi se ma
O se wa me chi ami de wa nyaade.
nye fe ni se ma me kagu mo a de be chi oni bia ni
O misumi hadia boko. Hadia boko be atujue kwa. Yeah.
na o be efo me ba na ishia teacher David akwasi no mo teacher
I mean, me na koshi.
ni
teacher no. What's it?
udi nya botre me ka se mo so na wasiri no de tu menim se me yonko pa na nti o ka biribi a na me kan kire o se akoda no ni ma de papa nso akoda ne basuku a na wa mo aye mo obisa na wasine na nhwe ni ye obasuku a no pa kora woni di onye sika ntu no botu no de abasuku na me se me yonko efo pa okay me kona me na kokasa me se ma me ba ya me de batu ani me se akoda no hwe ni ye na da chi bia no baba faso
Okaso ko sa teacher no ko sa sem no woka. Ko oni na washami kwa usuna mi hunu babi mbebu no. Oh, odi ko sa sem wache.
Uwe yeme.
They be about teacher no what was say me ko. Was ya kwada no wo ba. Kafla wanya una maka teacher ninu. Maka teacher ninu wana no was sebiti. Akoda we wusi wo ba suku wa yemu amina moto akukọ ya de fa ma akoda no. Cho adai wanu wati wanu muno akoda no wati ni chen. Wati osena mashakola ni yo kate ushakola wa yesu moti. Oh, ni utubisha wo be fa no kono koswe no.
Sani ehu biba. Ha? Akoda no bibi papa bi woni mo ndiefo, woni nko akoda no wati.
Wo kwasi de wati won. Akosi wasem na teacher no wokan. Akosi mu wotumi bobolu. Because wanye tintina wako hedi bolu na washe. One also what to me president, what to me a doctor, uko hospital na doctor wa yesi ubabuno.
Efo. Oh, ya nipa tietia. Wa wadwene o te se de tentene wadwene. Uni bebi wo kura o tentene kase nso adwene bia ni nitirimu. Akora no nyame abɔ no so no kokora adwene nim de nyame de ama no no. Eso na wo na obaboa no ama na bamu. Enu na buroni kase bi o say the stone that the builders rejected has been the head cornerstone. Ebo abantofo won wapo no. Na be ya twa sutu go. De bia akora no ubanu ho. Efo na metu fu ati.
Shiakai. Media jasa semonoka. Ala mi ma ya mesini na ma yi abubo afafi ni mota mu ade tuchu ni baby mi ko fatu mu bi because wo bo mota no. Ati mesini te o yi buba fi mota mu wasa ko fatu woni mo dansi.
Ubanu ho wati.
O manule o sesei. Ade ubo mi dua.
Anya dua na me bo futu na me de ma wo.
O jawo sem. Ko
who they say ya me too far na yento
oba koda oba hapo na wo sema mani dua ni debia wo didi wo fi ha
ko de yentwa no so e won se fu bi wo ha
asafufu bia woni wasafufu wasan woni sesafufu na oba bisa na ukofa teacher ni same way oba teacher mahunu odi a wo hu teacher ni no ka chensa mi sima hunu ambabu no wo hu bia wo jwani
are obo afu mi ana
Oh, welcome.
Thank you. What is this? You look sad.
Yes, I am not a happy man at all. I am no more in myself. This is my grandson Akoshi, just spreading me for the people in the neighborhood. You report me to my sister, you report me to my friend, you report me to the chief, you report me to your teacher, you report me to the chief, and even the chief sent for me yesterday. How? And that teacher said, I don't know why he's jealous about me because I have a fine girlfriend. Jealous.
Isn't it that Sir David?
And the teacher slim fair.
Yes.
Yes, that teacher, I don't know what is wrong with him.
Efo, do you know that he stopped me on the way and was asking me why I can't stop you from maltreating Akwesi?
Huh? That teacher have the guts to meet you on the street, ask you about me?
Yes.
What? You should have slapped him.
I dealt with him.
So that you will face me myself one-on-one. Even in your teaching course, you are not even up to 30 years in your teaching course, and see the way you are.
Efo,
yes.
I think this thing is becoming too much.
Yes.
And even with that Sir David, I think we should go and warn him.
I don't know his house, la.
I know his house.
You know his house?
Yes.
Let me wear some knicker, let's go there. If you do, I'll beat him.
No, this one is okay. I'm there.
This one is okay like this. Let's go. You will see, this is the formation of character. Just putting my name for people.
He's just jealous of you.
How I don't get it. Your teaching courses, you are not even up to 30 years to teach.
Let's go. We will deal with him today.
Don't oh.
Okay.
Oh, you are very good. Come. Come here. You know me. Did I come for your wife? Am I owing you? Did somebody tell you that this place I swore my name here?
Answer him.
No. And then why? Are you married?
No.
Do you have a child? No. That is why you are using your life hopelessly. You don't know what to manage your life to do. So you are talking about me. Everywhere you talk about me. Why? Why? What did I do to you? Let me tell you. Let today be your first and last. Let today be your first and last. The next time you see me coming, run away and save your soul. If not, what I'll do to you will never like me. You look into my face. You hear that song before? I forbid him, mommy. Do you hear it before? Never mention my name anywhere. If I hear you mention my name, if you see me coming, run away and save your soul. If not, I will call Nima boys for you. If I don't call Nima boys, I'll call Ashama boys for you. Choose two. They are 2 things. Why? Why? What is it? You are telling my grandson that I don't take good care of my grandchild. Why? Why are you spoiling my name? If this boy come to you and you don't know, you give him food. If he die, you are the one who poison him.
Yes.
And you will see where your life will be. Why? You hear what I'm saying? I finish. Next time. Oh, no. I have to slap this guy.
No!
Slap him.
If only you die on us. Let's go.
Hey!
Die on us.
Don't watch my face. Don't watch. What's here? Don't watch my face.
If only you just look at his dressing. The whole people sit like look at your trousers. They are wearing pantaloons. Look at your shoe.
Next time. What's your name? Hey. Well done. Ayeko no. Say what you finish what you want to do to me. You sell me for people. Very good. Thank you. Wait. So you are okay with what you are doing? I'm coming. Wait for me. We will finish the whole thing today. My name is Adewualor.
What have I done?
What have you done? Wait, you see right now.
Grandpa, why are you taking my bag?
Yes. Where you are now, you are old enough to be on your own. You have the guts to go around to report me. At the first place, you reported me to the chief. Hey, listen to me, watch my face, I'm telling you direct. Yes, it's a chief, you have a free lamb to give you. Yes, you are right. You reported me to my sister. Yes, my sister will buy blocks for you. You reported me to my friend. That my friend can order Mason to come and work, he will pay. So at where you are, you have a whole complete building that you can live in. Long way, pack your things and leave this house.
Grandpa.
You have a full house to live in.
Grandpa, you know you're the only person I have.
Walk out from my house. I don't want to do anything silly. Leave this house. Oh. Leave this house before I do something horrible. Walk him out.
Grandpa, please, Grandpa, please, Grandpa.
Come on, let's take this thing and leave it.
Grandpa, don't listen to me.
I shouldn't do. I am doing it. What? Go there now. Don't go here.
Grandpa, you know
Hey, walk. Even if I get close to me, I will kill this boy.
Grandpa,
Leave.
I said leave this house. Wait, it's like you don't know who I am.
Grandpa, please, Grandpa, please.
Leave it. Don't let me put you here. Don't let me put you. Forget about how I'm standing. I can put you. Go.
Grandpa, you're the only person I have, Grandpa.
Don't.
Grandpa.
Go. I said leave. Walk.
Grandpa, please.
I said leave this house. Wait. Leave this house.
Grandpa, please.
I said go. You don't let me vessel. Don't let me vessel. Go.
Grandpa, you're the only person I have.
Hold. Come inside.
Grandpa, please.
I'm done. Hey, don't call me grandpa again. You have people that you know that they can take good care of you, you report me. Go ahead.
Oh, what is that?
Ah, if he says leave, leave. Why? You don't want me to chop his money in peace.
Hey, I said leave there. Oh. Hey, don't break. Oh. Don't break this gate. Oh. If you don't leave here, I'll shoot you. Oh.
My dreams are Judging Bonnie Bear. I feel many beer. Yamiwaya, Menana, Grandpa, Yaminim said, oh no, no, share me, Netete me, Nekuma me. Oh no, my dinner, oh no, me, mammy, me, papa. Oh no, no, share me, Netete me, Nekuma me. Then so a chance me a qua Miss Shukra Grandpa named yeah, Miss Ampata Area Syria Awe Radi Wakua Mabawe Nime Wakuwa mabaweni Bejimie na mi bro Debia grandpa bomb ye timodin Oh mami untome O treme konda O mami ndakra Nyame nyayo se mae Nyame kayo se maka Nyame fire se ma fire Grandpa Bolivia maya ubia Facheme Grandpa Area say time any And my men are not so time any Me bad and worry see Me bad and worry see Awe radie When now bomb me Say you mean to me Say you mean to me What now about me? Mommy say you mean to me Mean to me My bed rock 20 feet Oh Already, yeah, baby. Made you want some no so pepe.
Grandpa, give me a review.
Hey, for I don't soup you. I don't know for that. You didn't have answer. What much worth if you know? The funeral cancer only the answer again. Ah. Now, what a party or the best show in a one hop. It's me back. And a mamma said, no one did in I'm not the other. I'm not going to be here. I'm now. Before him, put your parts and him what try me. My papa 2 or more. Of it. I want to make a son about 1 son of the rubber. What it? If I disappoint you, have to be some son of the rubber in America. Before him.
Wakuwa mabaweni me Bejimie Bejimie, na me bro. Awurade, wakuwa mabawe ni me. Bejimie, Bejimie.
Akwesi, what is the problem?
My dreams are min judging Bonnie Beer. I feel
So what are you going to do now?
You are the only person I have. You are the only person left to help me, sir, please.
Akwesi, it's unfortunate I cannot help you this time. Your grandfather and his girlfriend came warning me. They threatened to call boys to beat me up if I ever talk to you or assist you in any way apart from school. Please, I'm really sorry I cannot help you this time.
Sir, please, sir, please. Sir, you are the only person I have. Sir, you also neglecting me.
Eric, there's nothing I can do. Please, there's nothing I can do. I can't risk my life. Please, find your way out, okay?
Sir, so you have also neglected me. Sir, do you even
It's not my fault. I wish to help you, but with this warning your grandfather and the girlfriend gave me, I can't risk my life.
I don't know where I'm going. Sir, I don't know. I am so
Debia grandpa bommy timoding, oh mommy hunto me, oh trim me conda, oh mammy da cry, nyamin yayo say my nyamin kayo say my ka, nyamin fire say my fire. Grandpa, 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 grandpa. Area say time any, and my men are not so time any. Me bad and we see. Me bad and we see. I'll radiate when now bomb me. Say they mean to me. Say they mean to me. I'll radiate when now bomb me. Say they mean to me, mean to me. To me, my bed rock 20 feet. Oh, already, yeah, reveal. Maybe was some no so bad.
Mike,
Who is that?
Oh, it's me, Sir David.
Oh, David.
Yes. Mike, good afternoon. How are you? Has Akwesi been here?
Eric.
Yes. I mean, this afternoon, has he been here?
No. It's a problem.
I was standing in front of my apartment and he came crying that his grandfather has driven him out of the house. So he wanted to perturb me. I said no, because the man came warning me. But then from the way he's doing, I'm afraid. So I thought maybe he had come to you.
Listen.
Wakuwa mabawe ni me. Bejimie, Bajimie, na me bro. I will radiate. Wakuwa mabawe ni me. Bajimie, na me bro. Me akwada. Mini holding beer. My dreams are min judging bony beer. I feel me new beer. Yami waya, me nana, grandpa. Yami him say, oh no, share me. Let's it me.
I will let you see something.
Really?
Yes. You ever see gold before?
Gold?
Yes.
No.
You see diamond before?
No.
Yes. Today, I will show you jewelries that my ancestors. Pure jewel, not this fake they one day miss. This one is pure, nothing. You see it with your eyes.
Miss Shakra, Grandpenny, Miss Empata, Area Syria.
You know, the way the man came to warn me with his girlfriend, to the extent of threatening to, call boys to attack me if he ever see me with his grandson, apart from school. I'm afraid to take him to my house. Initially, I decided to abandon him, but you know, I can't do that. In this world, who knows? Who knows tomorrow? He nearly committed suicide. He was going to jump into the big gutter. Luckily for me, I got there when he was jumping. So please, I want him to live with you. I will take care of his feeding, his clothing, his school fees, and any other thing. All I want is an accommodation for him here, so he can be safe. With him being here, the man wouldn't know where he is. He will forget him. Please, I have applied for a scholarship for him. And so all I will need is that when he's home, please make sure he can be able to win the scholarship. Please.
Tell me, my ears are itching. Do you know that Efu has jewelries? Jewelries? My dear. Wow. Ella. Real gold. Gold. Yes, oh. My God. This man is rich. No wonder. No wonder when I ask him for 50 cedis, he gives me 100. Ella, do you know I don't even talk much when I'm asking you for money? Efo can just count 500 cedis for me.
This era.
Use your head, and drain this man. Drain him very well. By the time he realizes, sister, you are far, 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 far gone. I believe you can do that.
My dear, you don't know the plans that I've put in place for this man.
Trust you.
Just look at me. You're a young girl like me. You think I'll stick to that old man?
No.
I am just with him because of the money.
I know it.
And this time around that he has showed me jewelries. See?
I trust you.
I hope you are learning well. I came to check on you. You see, the letter I will tell you is this. Don't let the troubles you have been through weigh you down academically. Forget about the troubles your grandfather has taken you through. Forget about his rejection and what have you. Just concentrate on your books. The best way to prove your worth is by studying. And pray to God to help you, give you wisdom and knowledge. Listen, I have so much confidence in you. I know you make me proud. In this world that we are, the devil throws a lot of challenges to great people. He does things to weigh you down and to let you forget your vision. Don't give up. Keep learning. I'll be coming here from time to time again to make sure you are well. Have this money. Buy whatever you want. Okay? Oh, take it. Take it. And I'll bring you some. Okay?
Change my life. Change my life. Change my life. Do it for me. Oh, Nyame. Do it for me. Oh, Nyame. Change my life. Change my life. Change my life. Change my life. Oh, my breath. Small boy.
You know, because of me, he has driven his grandson out of the house.
You don't mean it.
I mean it.
Oh, but you don't feel pity for that.
Me. Feel pity for that boy. Do you know what that boy did?
What has he done?
He was going around the community telling everybody that Efo and I had been maltreating him. He even went to tell that his teacher, Sir David.
That tiny teacher?
Yes.
And what did you do to him?
Do you know this teacher stopped me on the way and was questioning me, asking me why I can't stop Efo from maltreating Akusi?
You should have slapped that tiny teacher.
My dear, you know me now.
Oh. I believe what you can do.
I dealt with him.
I know.
And I am going to slap him the next time he stops me to talk about that.
Don't allow that teacher to interfere in your relationship with a fool.
No.
No,
I
don't
won't
give
do
him
that.
that chance. He's only a teacher.
Of course. My dear, let's
Do it for me, oh Nyame. Do it for me, oh Nyame. Change my life, change my life, change my life, change my life. Do it for me, oh Nyame. Do it for me, oh Nyame. Change my life. Change my life, change my life, change my life. Oh, my breath, small boy for me, and I yet century, frisa mini obia. Nyamiri femui, mi shebrayana min crabia. Deliver me, oh I wanna feel special. Nyamiri femui, mi shebrayana min crabia. Deliver me, oh I wanna feel special. Do it for me, oh Nyami. Do it for me, oh Nyami. Change my life, change my life. Change my life, change my life. Do it for me, oh Nyame. Do it for me, oh Nyame. Change my life, change my life, change my life.
Well, good afternoon.
Afternoon. Who are you?
It's me, Ella, Nancy's friend.
Ah, yeah. You came here with the
Yeah.
other. Where is she?
I don't know where she is. That is why I'm here this afternoon.
She's not here too.
No, I didn't come here to look for her. Yeah, I was passing by and I said, okay, let me pass by and then see if you have something for me to do for you.
Oh, like what?
Oh, you will be smart. Look at me.
Yes.
Look at me.
Yes.
Can you see them? Take me inside and let me give
Inside my room.
Yes. Ifo.
Jijo Magawo.
Oh, we're full. Ifo, stop that. Stop it. Be a man. Ifo, don't you like what you are seeing? Don't you like it?
Is your friend who asked you to come?
Ifo, if it's about Nancy, my friend, forget about her. Do you know that she has 2 boyfriends? James and Patrick. You are just being Mr. Otuyao. Anytime you give her money, she says to them. So please. And I know whatever she does for you, if you trust me, I can do better. Have a free lunch. Oh, you don't like what you are saying?
No. At the moment, I want to go and buy BC. So let's put it in. Today is what?
Today is Wednesday.
So let's put it in next week Wednesday so that I will make ready for you.
But I'm in the mood.
Yes, so you just put it there for me for now if I can't do anything. So let's put it next week.
Are you sure?
Oh yes, why not?
Are you sure?
I am sure, very well.
Then let me give you peg to confirm.
Okay. Come on, give me peg.
Thank you.
Okay.
I love you.
Yes. Aroma Drekuma mararoma lagbe. Manya Drekuma lori kaya physical scene ya. Hey, Uma be no good. You know I am your friend over handsome man. You pass back. Then you go back, this same person will go back and tell their friend, oh, is that man cry? Mama, you soon rough.
Mike, so how is Eric doing? How do you see him now?
Oh, Akwesi, he's taking his studies very serious.
Good.
And he's leaving no stone unturned. You see, the guy is very respectful. So when he wakes up, he sees my room, the corridor, the whole compound. Sometimes I try to stop the whole. He should calm down. Later in the evening, he wants to do it before he goes to school. He's really taking it very serious.
I pray for him. I pray so much for him that God helps him to be able to win this scholarship I've applied for him. That's my prayer.
Yeah. I've also been praying for him.
Wow.
He's taking his studies very serious, so I know he will pass.
Sure. I just pity him. You know, I just pity an orphan as he is. Such a boy. Eh? Oh God.
The guy is very calm.
I know.
I wish he was my son.
God will help you and you'll have a good son like that.
Thank you, my brother.
God will help you, okay? Let's keep helping him.
Yes.
You know, and God will bless us.
Yes.
You know, God will bless us. Yeah. Oh God.
Efo, what are we eating this evening?
Oh, you can prepare some blend okra soup, or you can do it bobitaji too. Anyhow, anyone.
All right, then let me hurry up.
Wait. That your friend that you came here the other time with. That your friend that one who painted the hair.
Ella.
Yes, Ella. Okay.
Right.
Oh, is she married?
No, she has a boyfriend. Why? Why do that?
So how are you with her? How is your things? How is your friendship relationship at this?
Ella is my best friend. We've been friends since childhood, so we do everything together.
You do everything together. You are saying the thing. So you can go to the boyfriend, you sleep with the boyfriend or the husband. She can also go to your husband, sleep with her.
Ifo.
Yes.
That is not what I mean.
Then what do you mean?
I mean, we are close friends, so she knows a lot about me, and I also know everything about me too.
Wow. Wow. Can you believe that? Did she tell you she came here?
No.
Would you believe that this friend of yours, what's her name?
Ella.
Ella. The thing was just occurring to me like a dream. Before I open my eyes, your friend is standing in front of me, almost half naked. I said, what? What a bambala is. Then kiss me. He hold me. He put his hand to my boxer. Try to take my things out. It wasn't easy, just like a Chinese film. Or I block the hand. When you do, I block. When you do, I block. I said, wow.
If.
Oh.
What kind of lie is this?
Why?
See, I hate jokes like that.
You can see into my eye directly, then tell me I'm lying. I'm in front of crowd at the National Theatre. What are you telling me? Telling you what my eyes saw here, you had say I'm lying. Don't worry, I also see, okay, I'm lying. I should have impregnated yourself. Ah.
Are you trying to find a way to get to my friend or what?
Me that the person came to dash me the thing, I said no. It's okay.
Yes, it's okay. I know you are telling lies. I know my friend Ella very well, and she cannot do what you are saying.
Alright, we are all Gan people will say, be a wonder. I'm a liar now. Don't worry, go and prepare something for us to eat.
Wow. Hey, congrats. You see what hard work does? You know, always when I tell you hard work pays. You see that now finally you have passed exams and you have won a scholarship. By God's grace, you are traveling to abroad, America, to study medicine, to become the medical doctor you've always wished to be. Congratulations once again. Congrats, Eric. Congrats. And Mike, thank you so much. Thank you so much for accepting to live with me. Mike, God richly bless you. The letter I will tell you, don't think because your grandfather protected you, looked up to you, you also do the same thing. You're on your way to become a great man. In that case, make sure that you also treat people well. Don't undermine anybody in this world. Eric, nobody is useless. Nobody is useless at all. So don't undermine anybody. Don't look up with anybody. Treat people equally. Like my grandfather, Professor Frederick, will say, even when you see a mad person, don't look down on him. Don't laugh at him because you don't know who he is. You don't know what made him so. So let's all treat every human being equally. Because everybody in this world is important.
Oh, aku kucaku. Ayah nyami koto. Ayah nyami wo. Wo Miguel vino, milaga juano.
Miguel, so di minute.
Ama wo anu wo fana dafu faba mi ho. Wo fa mi ho si wo ni dafu ni mahunu bebi matumi frenu machiano.
Onu na dafu.
Ana masiyo. Amuko ama wo ho danu. Ahona masimoti wonu na dinu wa yemi seda yabi. Prakupa matimeni. Matima nino mahoso by one no wajina or naked.
Naked.
Well, one winina. Mashadino to what bohoti say meet by 50 pesos. Mas you what? But you are one who are at the Godzilla Rocky Kata or run winina war. Oh, Anna my feeding material. Mashanu fish robe simple.
Nti wo pese wo kire se. Obi anadamfo na wodan ho besi akire.
One no pese wo fami no.
Se me ka kire kuguseko.
Ani pa ho ye hu.
Tomanyo.
Matina mi ho mashanu preocupa mbeshia. O dia mi kanu. Wa romi ho nyina. Wa romi kami bokisa shot. Some baby man wo funny sa wo romu or man over my things out.
Man over your things out.
Oh, I wanna me same myself reverse to inside.
I don't feel you.
Oh, my son, oh, my feeling deba mani wa brio wa yeta mo makujo mai. Ati nyasa mikasa na ma ya ward na ma yo biti ma jinama huti sebe di ma. Dia ma jinama honfe na mi yo wesi matu. Oh, kawaye mi tusam.
I'm afraid you're off. Ah, me say one off and get saying you do 2 kg.
Yes.
There you see baby says no, be
yes, yes.
They are afraid yes, you don't know you be a can wait for papa. Now, if only baby, himself no fire much.
Papa.
Oh, Gary. Means what I who himself away by being one of that. So the Gabayaga. We get another for the mammy.
If I'm a girl no fama
mean cow girl no get the middle map. Nadam for no besi it.
You were better or family. Or David Sagel one your papa and Minam Bepe Obama just as some look. Who me them better and if I know why you didn't want your cows are better.
We are making a buffalo. Oh, can I book a buffalo then? Suddenly, young corner.
Sandra.
But she feels she's on top of the world. She's got the swagger, little mama, who just wanna be a superstar. Want to make tacky, she's ready. When you breathe, always busy. Want to make tacky, she's ready.
You name me.
AKA Rabranti. Men of Madame Pani.
Oh wow.
Men of Mituno for Mana baby.
Oh wow.
I mean, you can't go straight in the same. What I think, say, well, I mean, no Bob.
Wow. Anyway, that's a very many so say, and so watch your you person on them.
I said, no.
That's as you can see, I don't even have a phone to take your number. Now, young wife from 13, you wait to me at 2 p.m.
The last time
Big boys.
the last time I checked, it was 10,000 Ghana.
10,000 Ghana cedis.
You now share package when so sabi and you free.
What kind of hairstyle?
Yes.
Wow.
Every 2 weeks we are make us Felix the Baba and my unit. 300 Ghana cedis. You and also wait me out for there. And again, I take a trip to Dubai every 3 months. Okay.
Trip to Dubai every 3 months.
Check me 1 or 2. Namaste. It's no, if you are ready.
My person visa, budget will be a young or they come AFOREVO, madam.
Excuse me, what's the meaning of that?
Excuse me, sir. There be now Dubai, any which me, any iPhone 13. Now, and I'll come and do your friend say AFOREVO.
Wait, cheap.
That be cheap. And any cheap was a car will be person of me, Sika okay, me will be again, and now got the car, you know, Mediana.
Good man, if you're not serious, excuse me.
Who the idea could cheerful? Now, we shall not say, go to buy now with 3 million and a phone. Now, we could have a phone when I'm used to our base iPhone 30.
Wednesday is finally.
Yes.
Thank you for me.
You have a nice body. Oh. Wow. This is very good one.
Ella.
Ella, what are you doing here? So you are snitching behind me to come for my boyfriend. Congratulations.
I told you I am a handsome man. Every woman loves me.
Wait, oh. Is it because I told you he has jewelries?
You told her.
Because I told you he has jewelries, you are coming for them. Oh yeah, come for them. I'm here. Ella, I didn't know you were such a useless fool.
Hey, excuse me, enough. Don't insult me. After all, he's not married to you. Yes. And let me tell you, the sky is very wide for anybody who wants to navigate. Excuse me. And you, old fool. So you told her about me.
So you shouldn't have told me, eh? Oh, shame on you. Hey, if I let you come back here, you will see what I'll do to you.
He said I'm what? I'm a serious fool. You see, you told her I have gold.
And so what? And so what? You were there, something that we planned about it. You see, she was touching you, and you are happy about it.
I wanna know what's in the was so good no you know if you all say no, are you not the same person who tell me to see? I don't know that you sweet like that and it carry me away. Why you are telling people that I have gold? I have gold. It's okay. Don't call me.
I'm sorry.
Oh, don't sorry for yourself. Hey. Oh. Akuku saku, anipa huya kaya matie. Ao. Akuku saku wawa. Akuku saku. Awa bla samumba. Ao.
Ada udi shwa tu mi fi hai.
Ao. Akuku saku, anipa huya ati mina mania o ayasi mahosede mbekano mahosede masiasi apona mavie
ali basi men obi ame ya de wa fre ba ya na unhulu beka na be ofre me ye
akukusi aku
ye ni ba mu
wo mabai wadi o ba mi wonu laga ju avinu
ale wa hu
utabi awo base wakayo adrana wo vami ho wa sabu si akudiwa wa mi ho ada rana jo ayaga bai wa vami ho wa fase dia wa ye wo riti na misu wo dream ko se ma ye peni no wo buni yo mu jen se amu sisi ni rawa ye biya
ukasa ne ja peni ko me wo kasa ma wo buni sisi ye de wo ye peni kasa ne ja yo
awo ave madra na Adibeti mbanyani wafa busi agudie no de wafa jamin wafa ko
Abusu agudie no wade ko
wawia wafa jwani
da bi efo mfa se mo di agoro sempa na wo kan
akuko
we ya se mo di agoro
o ma ya penyi matumi fa bibi sa fa betu woni mukasi agege
efo de bi ya me ka cho kuri mu ha obie nim se me yonku pa nyenche kura no ensu mi tufu a wo mfa meka wonfa meka se emaya wa ya langaju yembai eyo na wo mu ya san poison pa meka wa fa ohu
awo
so
awo onu na wo wi mi se yo ma ho se de makatra ma sister no po
sisi ye ben
sisi ama ho de mbekatra mi sister no onu po de onu da na kuma se de na kuma tinu wa hwe ye po obebu mi kumi
ono su de dan ya so nua dan ya
obeti aname ma ho de mbeyo anase matukwa ko Burkina Faso go vebiana
sisi wanyini utukwan ya wade adwuma na wo ko de tena ha wo ye barema azam na wo yonko ne me no wote nti de ben se de kofie na adwuma na me ye no nwie meba ama obia hu se wo su pepo nim yo hey Hola. Yes. I'm not too full.
I want to say.
Nyami adum oye. Akwasu boko.
Efo akwasu yen boko sa o. Ebu baby ya meja. Efi meti besi me na ase. Baby ya meja. Baby asusu emire ye ni nkaso. Ade chi ade say kanyi ntimi me ya akwara bi o. Onya ya panyere yo ntimi ya akwara. Ntimi si me ba ka kire o. Yade aye me ne de. Ntimi nsawe ho yade wa ha. Nti ga gudie na japade na ede ma aye no. Tambaka kire no ko ona ne kakra mu kakra ma konna ne. Na bi akohwe me ho yade wa ronchi. Eno anti na me ba aye.
Oi. Hey. Asemwa ba obusi ate won titi o. Abusi ate won titi o. Anyami betu awuka o. Anyami betu awuka o.
Efo ho na nyami betu aleka.
Ma onu sede wakano.
Na abusi na obi ewu mu ana.
Obi ewu podi akasembesi enu. Hey.
Efo na di eni e yare o. Menye bodu no akaba ba ko na ne nam de akọ hospital.
Ama statine sena ma wieni seni.
Aya sembe.
Abusi asema babusi amu. Makani sena wa yeye. Ma statine sena ma wieni seni la kama nyaya blogi.
Inu se efiri ma me ba ko. Me papa ya santini, o papa ya nwere. Na me firi mo bo gaga ade na woka.
Ma hose dia mbekano ma hose dia mashasi. Wow, sami laga juanu di oba Miguel nu.
Ya le mami o.
O dabi o ni mami wo podi akase o ye.
O ya le ana.
Wo ya di o.
Ka de na bi ase.
Dabi elupo. Wo be fako. Obe wi agudie no ni nyina di ko wo jate kukura ho.
Efo. Wo se wo mpana na be fa agudie no ko. Woni na ya kana na wo.
Odabi o mi poma ni machimo sori oni oda. Wo mada no wo fa nyina fako.
Efo. Efo.
Oh, yeah.
And that you may are dear.
Oh,
Then the open who say baby will be a sin.
Overkutokwa, tinasi, wow, Bibla, Bejimio, Abiba Jimio, Abibra. Oh, hey.
Send any party. Who a good year, a Japanese in a baby. One to me and for my cook and yak when I will be here. Dear Miss Majibina, also on Plavefa.
I said,
Therefore, maybe I will be over them. Maybe I'm no better. Maybe I'm no better. Who better remind this what we are saying. Mema bind the work soon. Me make a free Mr. J. Any kukotako. Until Robin for. No more the work to say the best see my born.
Wakuwa mabawe ni me Bejimie na mi bro awe uradie Wakuwa mabawe ni me Bejimie na mi bro me akwada me ni awanding bia
Efo, me don't go Efo. Nada. Ngefine na de me hu na me say ba wo da hoyi. Ne de na ye wo yare wo hene. Me de wo sane ye mfie bia sane ya jire ni. Me wo say fo wo yare sada. Na wo di adan. Wo nyina wo so sa.
Adewualor live kai.
Wo say?
Adewualor live kai.
Yo, no wo ni ba wo ba ho.
Menya obi atuni kra.
Wo obi atuni kra kra. Chie Efo. Oh. De bia metu fu a wo mfa. Oh. Esi wo ja wo yire ma wo ja de ko. Okofo ba foforo saa wo de me ho yefe, Efo me ho yefe. Ena wo da ho a, wa no ka bosu je no. So ho. Eni e kire ba bi sika kakra wa de me fa tia ka ko kwamra. Wo ni sika. Ni de be ndai. Se madam for no minti ma wo. Ko be bi sia na fa wo. Wa so ya de. Yetu fu a wo mfa.
Wakuwa mabawe ni me Bejimie na mi bro awe uradie Wakuwa mabawe ni me Bejimie na mi bro Debia grandpa bomie timoding O mami hunto me O trime konda O mami ndakra Nyami nyayo se maye Nyami kaya se maka Nyami fire se mafa Grandpa Olivia maye ubia
Miss no madam no what to say. Madam for pa we je kura ko yema. Madam for pa. Oh, me na father for fi bia sa ne akire. Madam for pa. Na bro.
As I want to say, the case in my
Huh?
in my
Tie we ndem doctor.
it's here like I say o delay 1 hour and wait me show
1 hour.
wait me
Ni si de doctor ndem bo ami en na nya de.
go madam for bia o pa ma me ko ye the case to our quadri specialist exactly specialist it's metro crata ama na arrange ambulance na o de ko madam for
The doctor the 1 hour the traffic 1
the
hour.
ambulance we dey very fast how make so
Doctor me slow. Madam go for me slow.
ono wa pain to be the ambulance
Society, mean to me My bedrock 23 Oh, already, yeah,
Oh, nurse, what is the name of the patient?
Efokojo Mauli.
What?
Efokojo Mauli.
Akosinia. Mami des, patrunti doctor specialist woli.
Bashai.
Hey. Na kwesini. Yo nyame timi ye. Akwesi. Akwesi una na da hono. Na efo. Etiri mo de nyina hwe na wiye ye.
Yes. How many minutes does he have to live?
Please, 25 minutes if you don't attend to him.
I don't have time for this patient. So I have other patients to attend to. So call me back in the next 30 minutes.
Doctor me pacho. Doctor me pacho. Enko na na wati. Fa boni che. Ina me pacho ko me bungu to do woni. Fa che wati una na no na da wona mane e wo hunu no. Ise wo nko na beti maje den kwa me serew. Enfa boni ntua boni ka de nyame ye wo no. Fa una na boni che wati de nyame pacho be.
Forgive me. I did it out of ignorance. You don't help me, I will die. I don't want to die now. I will save my life. You don't choose the good and give you your portion. I will say, to God be the glory.
Wada wo nyina wo huna man me serew kwasi. De nyame pacho. Why? De nyame aye wo no. Nyame aye ade. Ka bibi a kire ne se wo hwe oyi ne bibi papa bi wo mu na wantie me a hwede ne de nyame aye wo ni so fato man wati be dasi vraiment so na wada wo hona man.
Grandpa, see you today. You never took care of me. Today, I am the only person in this country that can save you. You have done me a lot of bad things.
Sani yade ma me wati wo no a wo sale yade na ho yade wo hu ni mfu so a wo ye de nyame na atwa ne ka wada wo nyina se wo huna man so aka gana ta bana so fe na ma me wati.
Yes.
Yes, doctor.
Take him to the theater room and prepare for the operation.
Okay. Ako si medasi. Namisira. Fokojo Mauli. Bohu. Mene wode bia meka asem kyerɛw. Meka ana medafo we de o ka bia nye meka kyerɛw sɛ the stone that the builders rejected has been the head cornerstone. Because you for wasem kono wa. You who say bibi wa kore bi ho bibi wo bi ho a wo mbuni so we nipa kora ene wo ba bi a woda we wie ye. Senya akosi ena se David ebua no ato ana so kwa abunti o ko ye doctor ngene nka wo nkwa firi wasa. Ese wo firi mu fi a wo ni be nya. Wo na oda ho no so dia na me ho ye fe na ma peme na me ho ye fe na ma peme wo me ma di usika nyina ma ne wo na oda ho wo.
Fiber on the beat. Awurade wakuwa mabawe ni me Bejimie na mi bro Awurade wakuwa mabawe ni me Bejimie na mi bro Miye akwada mini holding beer my dreams are min judging boni beer I feel me new beer Nyame waya me nana grandpa Nyame nim say ono no share me na tete me na kuma me ono ni madini na Onuni me mami ni me papa. Onwana shame, na tete me, na kuma me, nenso a chance me akwa. Minsa shukra, grandpa named yeah, Miss Ampata. Area Syria, awe radie, wakuwa mabawe ni me, Bejimie, na mi bro, awe radie, wakuwa mabawe ni me. Bejimie, na mi bro. Debia grandpa bomb timoding, oh mommy hunto me, oh trime konda, oh mami da cry, nyamin yayo se my nyamin kayo se my ka, nyamin fire se my fire. Grandpa, 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 area see time any, and my men are not so time any. Me bad and we see, me bad and we see. Awe radie, when now bomb